I'm Daniel. I studied accounting and finance at the university. I chose the University of Wolverhampton because it's my local university and of the good reputation I'd heard. The parts I enjoyed about my course were the auditing module, the financial aspects of the course, and the literature review, which was for topics in accounting and finance, and I did mine on corporate social responsibility and its links to tax avoidance. If I was to offer any advice to any future students, it would be to make the most of all the resources in the university, take any advice from the lecturers, and not be afraid to go and explore what you want in the university. As part of the auditing module, the lecturer invited a guest speaker to talk about auditing. After this, a work experience role was offered, which I took the chance to apply for and was offered. After the work experience, I was then offered a part-time role, which led on to a full-time role in a local accounting practice. At BSS & Co Accountancy Services, it includes a training contract for the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales. At BSS & Co, I'll be taking on a broad spectrum of accountancy roles, including auditing and financial accounting. The lecturers at the university are very friendly, approachable, very enthusiastic about what they are teaching, which makes it easier to learn.